These are all the letters of the alphabet. But only 5 letters in the alphabet are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Say it with me. A, E, I, O, U. Good work. All of the other letters are consonants. Tap all of the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Good job! Tap all of the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Good thinking! Give Rhea all of the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Good work! Find the matching vowels. A, O, I, A, E, O, E, U, E, U, U, I, O, I. Way to go! Now let's match uppercase vowels. Find the matching vowels. A, E, O, U. A, I, O, U, O, U, E, I. Great! Do you remember which letters are vowels? Tap them. A, E, I, O, U. Woohoo! Now let's scramble the letters. Can you find all of the vowels? Tap them. I, O, U, A, E. Great job! Which word starts with a vowel? Tap it. Use. Awesome! Which word starts with a vowel? Tap it. If. Cool beans. Which word starts with a vowel? Tap it. Or. Keep it up.